Experiencing problems connecting your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Many users encounter Bluetooth issues. Common reasons include interference, low battery, software glitches, and earwax buildup. The core solution involves understanding pairing mode. First, ensure your AirPods are in pairing mode by opening the charging case near your device. On iOS 70 Plus or Android 12 Plus, a setup screen should appear. If not, or if you're experiencing disconnections, make sure your device's Bluetooth is turned on. Turn airplane mode on and back off. If issues persist, move on to resetting your AirPods. To reset your AirPods Pro 3, press and hold the pairing button on the case for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber. Then repair them with your device. For persistent problems, forget the AirPods in your device's Bluetooth settings and pair again. Interference is a common culprit. Radio frequency overlap from Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth devices can disrupt the signal. Try switching to less congested frequencies on your router or temporarily using wired headphones to isolate the problem. Remember, Bluetooth's range is limited to 30 feet. If you're in a crowded environment, like an office or gym, relocate to reduce interference. Ensure your AirPods Pro 3 have the latest firmware for optimal performance and bug fixes. Version 8A303 as of mid-2025 addresses many connectivity issues. Keep your AirPods clean, especially the sensors, to prevent earwax buildup from affecting connectivity.